My name is Merfyn Hughes. I work as the European Projects Director at Cardiff Metropolitan University. Today, I've been invited to attend a pre-meeting in advance of a debate at the Senedd on the use of fairly obscure European pots of funding. My views have been invited in response to a report that has been prepared and that's to be debated this afternoon. On behalf of my peers in the European Liaison Officer grouping across the higher education sector, we welcome the efforts that are being made to try and coordinate and improve the amount of funding that's drawn down with the purpose of actually bringing transformational change about. Following the discussions at the committee today, the main message that I'd like the committee members to take into a wider debate is the main message, I think, which is that in an effort to try and bring about change, one might actually go and form objectives or aims that are related to perhaps the acquisition of funding, but a more informed measure might be to actually tie objectives to the transformation that spending will bring about.